This is the next video titled Managing Your Snort Rules. In the previous video, we installed a Snort IDS. In this video, we will install Git. Then add libraries which pulled pork. After that, clone the Git repo and finally create a pulled-pork.config file. Your ability to monitor new threats is only as good as your rules. When the latest Flash 0 day starts being exploited actively, you will want to ensure that you get a new rule in place to detect it. Luckily, Snort has a large user community and a support organization that writes rules and makes them available online. Their rules are broken into 3 sets: community, registered, and subscription. As the name implies, the community set is created by the community and is hosted by snort.org free. The registered and subscription sets are managed, tested, and improved by the company behind Snort. The paid subscription set gives you access to rule updates 30 days earlier than the registered set, but otherwise the contents are identical. Having a place to download rules from is great, but having a way to keep them up to date in an automated manner is even better. With Snort, this can be done by the Pulled Pork tool, which automates the downloads, installation, and management of the rule sets. Once you have registered your account, you can get access to a free OINC code, which is essentially an authorization key for downloading the rule sets. It is accessible when viewing your profile on www.snort.org. Now let's see how to do it. Install Git using sudo apt-get install Git. Add libraries which pulled pork designed on using this command. Clone the Git repo using this command. Create a pulled-pork.config file and add these lines into it. Run pulled pork. Nice. Now let's see how it works. The pulled pork configuration, which we have defined here, tells it to download the community set of rules from snort.org. We additionally pass it to -t, which tells it to process text-based rules. We also pass -h, which tells pulled pork to automatically send a HUP signal to the Snort process based upon the Snort PID file, which we provided via the PID_path variable. Once the tarball is downloaded from the rule_URL location, it is extracted. You may additionally specify config files with -b to disable specific rules, -e to enable non-default rules, or -m to modify the content of rules. These modifications may be triggered off the Snort ID, SID of the rule, or through regular expression matching. You can look at examples of the configurations within pulled pork, etc. Within the pulled-pork.config file, you can also pull from the registered subscription sets by specifying additional rule_URL definitions that include your OINC code. Unfortunately, this is less useful on our Ubuntu 14.04 install, due to the shipped version of Snort being no longer supported for new rules at snort.org. If you want to have the latest and greatest rules, consider building your own copy of Snort or installing a newer version of Ubuntu. Fantastic! In this video, we managed your Snort rules. In our next video, we will be managing Snort logging.